Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm just going to show you guys how to open up a session on Logic, how to bring files in, and how to record. Just really simple and easy if you're a beginner or you've just lost the touch a bit. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Logic or DAW. So a digital audio workstation, as DAW is, could be Ableton, could be Pro Tools, it could be GarageBand, it could be any app that allows you to record music. But today we're using Logic. So the first thing you want to do when you're going into a session is choose how you're gonna record, what you're using, and how you're gonna use it. So for our example, we're gonna do just audio, like a microphone I'm talking to you guys currently in. So what you want to do is select your input, which is usually input 1. It just depends how you set it up on your audio interface. Or if it's a USB microphone like this one I'm talking to you, you can plug it into the side of the computer or into an adapter. And the output, 1 or 2. 1 or 2 stands for like ear 1 and 2. Goes to both speakers. So that's where I want it to go. To my ears, left and right. And that's basically what you need to do. You don't need to open up anything. Don't put on input monitoring yet. All this stuff. All you want to do is select the amount of tracks you want. So me, I normally just do 1 and create. Now that you're on this page, you can see, and I'm getting some audio signals here. It's picking up my voice and you can hear it. So ignore the background noise. But basically you can see that it's picking up my audio. I know that it's here. Okay, we're back. Sorry about all that. Had a lot of noise going on in the background. But basically I was explaining how we have input. So you can see it down here in the lower left, and you can see it here on the channel. So usually you want to aim to record around 8 to 12, but we'll get into that at a further date. But now you know how to add a vocal into your DAW. So if you want to add more, I like to use this one. So this is just basically just a duplicate. You can just keep duplicating them, and you have all these channels. Now the next thing you want to do if you want to record is you want to go up to preferences and into audio, and you want to check your latency. Now this is called buffer size right here. So I like to record on 128. 64 you can record on, but I wouldn't go any higher or lower than that. And that's just because when you are doing a vocal or an instrument into the microphone, you could be ahead of the recording or behind. If that doesn't make sense, just imagine speaking into a tunnel or some place where it's very hollow. It will travel at a different speed, and that just kind of not what you want in audio recording unless it's intentional. But anyway, you also want to look at that your input and your output are correct. So for my mic, I'm just using the USB one for the recordings. It's an input and an output. It's taking my voice into the microphone and it's outputting it onto the DAW and into my ears. Now that we looked at that, we have recording delay. Just keep it at 0. Don't touch it. Keep it at 0. If it's any other number, put it to 0. Okay, cool. Now that's sorted. You can record. Now let's say you're an artist, like a rapper like me. I like to bring beats into my session. So the best way to do that is go down to the finder symbol at the bottom left. Go to desktop or wherever you keep your beats. Let's have a look. I'll skip this part. I'm going to show you guys how to import something into Logic. So what I like to do is go down to Finder in the left corner, click, and find my beat. So for an example, we have this beat, and you want to click and drag until you're at 1 bar and 1 beat. Do not select Open the Movie if it is a visual, just extract the audio. Click it in, and now you got your beat. What I like to do is double click and unlock. Without the unlock, I can't move the track any more forward or backwards. And you might want to make some edits. So what I like to do is unlock it, and now I can freely put the beat wherever I like to. Awesome. Now that I've got the beat, I can select the volume of it. I can select if I want to mute the beat, solo the beat, and just listen to that. And now I can record. So from here, you would click the R for record, and you can go and record your track. What I like to use is something called input monitoring, which is this one here. This one just allows you to hear the sound of your voice, hear the sound of what you're doing. Some people like it, some people don't. Has other characteristics, but we won't go through them today. But now you can record. So the easiest way to record, you don't have to keep going up to this big red button up here and recording. You can just press simply R. And once you press R, it will now be recording. So you currently have this metronome on right here. So what you can do is double click, and you can look at all the settings it has, and you can change it to however you like it. But me, I don't like recording with it on. So I just click off, and now I don't have to listen to the metronome. You also have a 1, 2, 3, 4 one as well. So I just like to keep it like this, and this is how I like to record. So once it's recorded, you can hit the space bar, and bam, your audio has been recorded. And because I'm on the video, it's not going to show the actual audio of what I'm saying to you, but now you've recorded. Now you can turn the beat on, listen to it like that, listen to it together, however you like. But yeah, guys, that's how you simply record in Logic. And if you want to save your session, you can go up to the file here and click save, save as, put it on your desktop, or you can do Command S, and it will come up like this. You can write a name for it. You can save it in Logic. You can put it as a folder if you're doing a project, like an album. You want to put everything in one specific folder like this one here. And yeah, it just makes it super easy. But anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you for viewing my video today. And if you enjoyed it, leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that jazz. And yeah, any ideas, leave down below. Any questions, leave down below. And thank you. Goodbye.